This is a 2017 Honda Ridgeline RTL, white over black leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrap steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, push button start, remote start, heated seats, electronic climate control, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, backup camera, tonneau cover, sliding rear window, bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles, at AutoNation Ford Bradenton, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.